Hi friends, we're going to do our seasons of an apple tree. You just watched the Brain Pop on seasons. Now we're going to talk about the seasons of an apple tree, and we've done a lot with this. So I'm going to cut this out, cutting around the dotted lines. And if you look, friends, I have my book open. I'm going to cut this out. And then I'm going to glue in my words, seasons of an apple tree. And I'm actually going to put this on the back of my book. So look how I'm putting it on the back cover. Put it on the back of my book. I'm going to glue on. I'm going to glue my title, Seasons of an Apple Tree. Okay, friends. Now, I'm going to look at these pictures. Now, do you see how these trees look the same? That's because we're going to have to color them in to look the correct way. Now, I know that I have a winter tree here. There's nothing on that tree. That tree is resting, so I know that's going to be winter. And then I'm going to glue my other 4 in. I'm sorry, I said 4. I'm going to glue my other 3 in for a total of 4. So I'm gluing my other trees in. Move that one down a little bit so I have space. Okay. And now I'm going to glue my words on. So my words are winter, spring, summer, and fall. So winter, I'm going to find the word that starts with the W. Winter. Now, spring and summer, listen. Spring, summer. They both begin with S. But I'm going to look at the second letter. Spring. F, the second letter in spring is the p. So spring, winter, spring, summer, and then the last one I have left is fall. Okay, now I'm going to have to color to make my trees look the right way. So I want you to think about what the trees would look like in the different seasons. In winter, we know it's bare, it's dormant, the tree is resting. So my winter tree would just be the trunk. I'm just going to color in my winter tree. All right, now in spring, I'm going to color in the trunk of my tree and the branches. And then I'm going to remember that in spring, the blossoms, the flowers bloom. So I'm going to color a little bit of green. I'm going to color it light. And then I'm going to add my pink blossoms because in spring, the blossoms grow on my tree. So I'm going to add my pink blossoms on my tree. Okay, adding on my pink blossoms. Now, in summer, my tree is also going to be green. And then in summer, friends, if you remember, our small green apples grow. So I'm going to add some small green apples. And I'm also going to color in my trunk. And then the last season of my apple tree is going to be fall. So I'm going to color in brown on my trunk. And then I remember that in fall, the apples are ripe. They're ripe and ready to pick, so they're bigger. I'm going to make my apples red in fall just to show the difference. So I'm going to get out my red crayon, and I'm going to draw some nice, big, red apples. Okay, friends, so again, for this center, the first thing you're going to do is watch the Brain Pop video on seasons. Then you're going to flip your apple book to the back. And you're going to glue down your trees and then add the words. So remember, we have winter, spring, summer, fall. You're going to color in the apple trees to match the seasons. Okay, my friends, remember to bring this back with you at Writing Center, and I will see you all soon.